The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the earth, and for good reason. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries in South America, it's the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Towering mahogany trees, tangled vines, and a cacophony of wildlife make this place one of the most unique and vital ecosystems on the planet. When people imagine the Amazon, they often picture dense foliage and endless greenery, but the forest is more than just a sea of trees. It's a living machine. The canopy, sometimes stretching over 30 meters high, absorbs carbon dioxide and releases vast amounts of oxygen. In fact, experts estimate the Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen, making it essential not just for Brazil or South America, but for the entire globe. But the Amazon's importance doesn't stop there. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity. Studies estimate that 1 in 10 known species on Earth can be found here. Everything from jaguars and pink river dolphins to poison dart frogs and millions of insects inhabit the woods, rivers, and swamps below the leafy roof. Plants, many of which exist nowhere else, provide the basis for medicines that treat diseases like malaria and even cancer. Yet, even today, scientists continue to discover new species, some of which may hold secrets to future breakthroughs. Perhaps just as impressive is the Amazon's role in regulating the planet's climate. The forest's thousands of rivers, including the mighty Amazon River itself, carry moisture deep into South America, creating rain that feeds not only the jungle, but also the farms, cities, and people far beyond its borders. Remove the forest, and the lush interior of the continent begins to dry out, with consequences that could be felt all over the world. But the Amazon is under persistent threat. Deforestation, mostly for cattle ranches and soy farms, is destroying hundreds of thousands of hectares each year. Roads cut through the forest, opening up once inaccessible areas to illegal logging and mining. Fires, whether set intentionally to clear land or sparked accidentally, have become more common, turning parts of the rainforest to ash. The question is not just what happens to plants and animals, but what happens to all of us if the Amazon disappears. Scientists warn that if too much forest is lost, the Amazon could reach a tipping point, transforming into a dry savanna. If that happens, the world's climate would be forever altered, and thousands of species could be lost. Yet there's hope. Indigenous communities, scientists, and conservationists are working together to protect what remains, using technology and traditional knowledge to preserve this irreplaceable forest. The Amazon's future isn't yet written. Whether it thrives or vanishes may well depend on the choices made in the years to come, not just in South America, but everywhere.